Hey guys, let's do my skincare routine. Let's go. First, I'm gonna start off with this mist. Okay guys, I hate school. Okay, there we go. I hate school so much. By the way, if you hear any noises, it's bonfire night today, so yeah. But anyways, like, I hate school. Because, like, I hate my new form. I hate the teachers, though. Yeah. Okay, this is my new Lancome toner. And it's pink. But anyways, like, the boys there, there's more boys than girls. Which is not really nice. At all. But it is what it is. Anyways, like, did anyone have a nice half day? Because I had a really nice one. I went ice skating, so yeah. That was pretty nice, to be honest. Ugh. Yeah, but like, I hate school. Okay, now I'm gonna use my Glow Recipe Moisturizer. But like, I hate school so much. Like, don't even get me started on the homework. Who likes homework? Like, it's so bad. Like, homework, oh my word. If you don't bring your homework, your actual piece of homework, you get an hour or half an hour detention. Yeah. I've only gotten one detention and one correction. I had a detention during lunch because I forgot my homework. And then I got a correction because I didn't wear the right shoes. It's not my fault that, like, we had some problems then. We couldn't find any shoes with my size. And I've got really bad leg pain now. Like, I might have to go see a doctor now because of those shoes. I'm now going to use my Laneige. Like, guys, there's barely anything left. I have no idea why I did that, by the way. And now I'm going to use this Lancome eye cream. By the way, all of this my mum gave me. I forgot to use the serum. Lip mask by Lean Into. Bye, bestie.